So student, if you have any problem in worksheet 2, you can ask. You can write your name in chat box. Those who are having any problem in worksheet 1 or 2. Okay, so let's student, let's move on worksheet 3, page number 31. So everyone open page number 31, worksheet 3. So this is the worksheet 3. This is also based on subtraction. Okay, so read the question here. What we have to do: ring the correct sums that give the answer. Okay, so here we have different sums, so we have to circle the correct one. Okay, so number is given here on the left hand side. Okay, this is your, you can say this is answer is given. Okay, but for which expression this answer comes? Okay, look here we have 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is, yes, 0. Okay, zero. So this also we have to, zero. So we have to circle this one also. Zero. Yes, very good. Zero. So this expression is giving 0. If we subtract 3 from 3, so we'll get 0. So it means we have to circle this one also. Okay, 3 minus 3 is 0. Yes. 4 minus 4 is also 0. Yes, we will circle it. 10 minus 1, no, 10 minus 1 gives 9, but we have to circle those only which is giving 0. Okay, so 10 minus 1 is not giving 0, so that's why we'll leave this one. Now 6 minus 6, yes, it gives 0, so circle it also. Now come on this one. So which expression is giving, which sum is giving one answer? We have to circle that. Okay, so 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5 is equals to, yes students, 6, one, yes, one, one, one. So we have to circle this. Okay, because it is giving answer 1, so circle this one. Okay, then 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 is also equals to 1, so that's why I will circle this also. Okay, I will bring it. So 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6 is equals to 2, but we need 1, we have to circle which gives 1, so we will not circle this, we will leave this one like this only. Okay, so 9 minus 8, 9 minus 8 is also equals to 1. Okay, so circle this also. I hope you all have understood this now. Yes students. Yes sir, I have understood. Yes sir, I have understood. I have done. Yes sir, I have done. Yes sir, I have understood. Okay student, do this by yourself. If you have any problem, if you face any problem in any part, you may ask. Okay, Okay students, some clues are there for finding out which operation you have to perform. Means you have to add or you have to subtract. Okay, so what are they? Left. If in question you have to find out how many are left, so then you need to perform subtraction. Okay, you need to do subtraction when this word written, okay, in the question. Take away. Take away means is also subtraction. Okay, if you take away something, if you take away a number from another number, then you need to perform subtraction. Okay, suppose I have 6 here and I need to take away 3 from 6. Okay, I have 6 balls, I need to take away 3 balls from 6 balls, then we need to do subtraction here. Okay, we'll put subtraction sign. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3, so I am left with 3 balls only. Okay, suppose I have 12 bananas. Okay, I have 12 bananas and I have taken away 4 bananas from 12 bananas. Okay, 12 taken away 4. So how we will write this? For taking away we will use minus sign. Okay, so 12 minus 4 is equals to 8. Okay, so when we need to find out left, how many are left something, then you need to subtract. If take away is there in the question, if you take away something from something, then you need to subtract. Okay, give away. Okay, so when this word written in the question, then you need to subtract, then you need to perform subtraction. Okay, if you have 8, if you have 8 balls, okay, and you give away 3 from 8. Okay, you have 8 balls and you give away 3 balls, so how many balls left with you? You have 8 balls and you have given away 3 balls from 8 balls, so how many are left with you? Tell me students.
11. 5.
Yes,
5.
very good, 5. So here giveaway means subtraction. Okay, we have to subtract it. 8 minus 3. Okay, in place of giveaway we can put minus sign, so 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Okay, 8 balls, from 8 balls give away 3 balls, we will left with 5 balls. Okay, some word is also there, some clues like how many less or how many more. Less and more, you can write in your notebook also. this to remember these points. You have to remember all these clues. These are the clues, okay, by which you can understand that you have to do subtraction in particular question. Okay, when question is asking how many left, then you need to perform subtraction. When you take away something, so then also you have to subtract. If you give away something, then you also perform subtraction. If you have to find out less, how many less something is, then you need to perform subtraction. Okay, suppose these two we have to less and more. In this we have to compare. Okay, when we compare something, then we use these less and more. Suppose I have 12 mangoes, okay, and I have 12 mangoes and my friend has 6 mangoes. Okay, I am having 12 mangoes and my friend is having 6 mangoes. So who is having less mangoes? So we know that 12 is less 12, 6 is less than 12. Okay, 6 is less than 12, so it means the 6 mangoes are less than 12 mangoes. Okay, it means my friend is having less mangoes than me. Okay, so if someone is asking how many less mangoes are there, how many less mangoes my friend is having than me, so what I need to do, I will subtract 6 from 12. Okay, so 12 mangoes I am having and 6 my friend is having. So how many less my friend is having? So to find out how many less, so we need to subtract it. Okay, 12 minus 6 is 6. So my friend is having 6 less mangoes. Okay, my friend is having 6 less mangoes. Yes, are you getting, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so student, these clues you have to remember. Okay, left, take away, give away, less, more. Okay, so now let's do. So everyone come on page number 32, worksheet 4. So now we are going to start. We are going to do worksheet 4. Okay, so here you have to read the story and find the answer by crossing out. Okay, yes, Zohaib Saeed. Yes, Zohaib Saeed. Have you not written? Have you written the clues which I have told you just now? Yes, tell. Anaya Zafar. Yes, Anaya Zafar, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, do you want to ask something? Okay. Ali- okay, Aliza Sharik.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me the clues what I have told you just now. Tell me the
Love
tell me
give
the words.
away,
Yes.
give away,
Yes.
used for subtraction. Math more is used for compare, comparison, comparison.
Very good. Yes, Sumayya Ali.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me the clues what I have told you just now. The words which I told you to perform subtraction. Tell me.
8 minus 2.
No, 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 beta. This not. I wrote some words on the whiteboard. Have you written all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me those. Beta, I told you that when in question you have to find out left. When left is written in the question, I'm sharing my whiteboard. When you see this word left in question, then you need to do subtraction. Okay, give away, take away, less, more. Okay, then you need to do subtraction. Okay, so you have to remember these. In addition, some words are there for addition also. Okay, like total. Okay, sum. Like this we have some words. Okay, for addition. Okay, these words for subtraction. So now come on worksheet 4. Let's do. Okay, so read the story and find the answer by crossing out. When you solve out this story sums, then you need to read the question very carefully. Okay, so question 1, Kunal had 8 pencils. Okay, Kunal has 8 pencils. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so he lost 2 pencils. He lost 2 pencils. So there are dash pencils left with him. So look here, the word left is here. Okay, we have to find out the left one pencils. It means what we need to do here, we need to subtract. Okay, when this word comes in question, then you need to do subtraction. So total how many pencils Kunal has? 8. Okay, then he lost 2 pencils. So we will cross out to subtract. So cross out 2 pencils. 1 2. So how many pencils he left? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, he is left with 6 pencils. Okay, and you can perform like this also. You can write the numbers, you can arrange the numbers in column like this, and then you can subtract. Okay, so the bigger number